Are you tired of scrolling through meaningless content online? Well, I've got something exciting for you. Making money online has never been easier than watching and getting paid for Google Ads. There is an excellent website where you can just watch Google Ads and make money. The best part is that this website works worldwide, allowing you to earn money no matter which country you're in. I'll walk you through the entire process. Create an account. The website that pays you to watch Google Ads is PTC Share. You can see that they've shown information about the last 5 payments made to their members. If you keep scrolling, you'll find they mentioned that they have more than 700,000 registered users and have paid up to $220,000 to their members. This website is trustworthy because it is secure, transparent, and has a sustainable system. To create your account for free, click Sign Up. Provide your username, password, and email address. Don't forget to check the I'm not a robot box. Then click I agree to terms of service and click Create Account. Once your account is created, it will show you an ad. Watch the timer count down to 0, then you'll be asked to choose between 2 options. Click Continue to PTC Share, and you will be directed to your dashboard. You can easily keep track of your achievements and the number of ads you've watched. If you scroll down, you can also find information about the newest ads that have been added for you to watch. Watch Google Ads. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now resuming where I left off. The next step is to start watching ads. Go to Earn from the above menu bar and click View Ads. It will direct you to this page. You'll notice that it says 100 BAPs at the top. It is given as a sign-up bonus. On this page, you can watch paid ads and earn money, but the process can be confusing for some people, so you must pay close attention to the instructions I am about to provide. If you scroll down to the paid ads section, you can see they have explained the process. To watch paid ads, you need to have bonus ad points, BAP. Once you have them, you'll start receiving daily paid ads until all your BAP is consumed. As you know, you have 100 BAP points right now, and you must be wondering what will happen once you consume them. There are a couple of ways to earn BAP points. You can buy them or watch activation ads and accumulate them. Remember, the more BAP points you add, the higher value ads you will get. When you first join, you may receive paid ads for as low as $0.005 or even $0.001. But as you watch activation ads and earn more BAP points, you'll start seeing paid ads worth approximately 50 cents to 70 cents. You'll receive 5 BAP points for each video when you watch activation ads. If you watch 8 videos, you'll earn 40 BAP points. Let's watch an activation ad, so click View Activation Ad. Watch the Google ad and click on the icon above that matches the description provided. After that, just click Confirm. Another countdown will start for 5 seconds. When the timer hits 0, you will earn 5 BAP points. Click Close Window to return to the paid ads page. Next, click on the View Activation Ad again to catch the second ad. After that, watch another ad and click on the icon that is displayed above it. Click Confirm and let the timer down to 0. You will receive 5 BAP points again. This time, click Next Ad to go to the next page and watch the third ad. Repeat this process to watch all the ads and collect your 40 BAP points. Earn money. After earning BAP points, you can check out the View Paid Ads section on the same page to start earning. The prices for each ad vary. I just want to point out that I'm currently using a brand new account to demonstrate the process. New accounts earn less per ad. However, as your account ages and you accumulate more BAP points, you'll start seeing ads with higher payouts. You can read the note on the page where it says you have to accumulate BAP points to attract higher value paid ads. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve high paid ads. To check the ads, click View Paid Ad. After seeing the ad, click on the icon that matches the instructions above and then click on Confirm. When the timer reaches 0, you will earn your amount. Then you have two options. Go back to the previous page or click on Next Ad to keep watching all the ads and earn the full amount. So, this is how you can make money daily by watching Google ads. If you want to earn even more money on PTC Share, such as $10 or $15, all you have to do is complete these offers. It is a great way to make extra cash. Bonus tips. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will share bonus tricks to 10x your earnings. I have 3 amazing tricks for you. For the first trick, head over to the Earn section, where you'll discover various ways to make money. But I will show you how to make money by Click Grid. So go ahead and click on it. You will be directed to this page. As you can see, there is a grid of 100 squares. To play, simply click on any square. By doing so, you have the chance to win up to $10 or 100,000 BAP points and attract high-paying Google ads. You get 20 chances daily, but remember, you might not get anything in some squares, so you have to choose them carefully. Let me show you how it will be done. Click on a square, and it will show you the same ads page where you have to watch the ad. Then, select the icon of what's written above and click Confirm. Wait for the timer to end, and it will notify you if you have earned something or have to try again. Click Play again, and you will return to the grid. You will see 19 chances left on the right, and the square you clicked earlier will be red, so you can't choose that again. Repeat the same to use the remaining chances. Let me show you the second bonus trick when you have made money from ClickGrid. Go back to the page and click Games on the top. As you can see, there are a few games that require BAP points to play. But here's the good news. If you win, you can double your points. If you check the coin flip game, it requires 25 BAP points. But if you play and win, you can earn 24 BAP points, which is great because all you have to do is play a game. Keep in mind that if you don't win the game, you will also lose the 25 BAP points that you spent to participate in it. The third trick you can use to make more money is attracting high-paid ads. Because the Google ads you get on PTC Share depend on your country. If you're from New Zealand or the USA, you'll likely earn more money with each ad compared to other countries. For this, you can try using a VPN Chrome extension to attract higher-paying Google ads without spending any money. But make sure you use a VPN when creating your account, as PTC Share Region locks your account once you sign up. These are the tricks you can use to multiply your earnings. Withdraw money. Once you've accumulated $1, you can withdraw it from Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. They don't have PayPal, which is widely used, but Payeer is another reliable withdrawal option that is available in almost every country. You can easily withdraw the amount from Payeer. This is how you can make some dollars by just watching ads. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on side hustles and passive income sparked your interest, then you're in for a treat. Right on your screen is our next video, and it's a goldmine of information on how to 10x your online earnings. I've got a feeling you're going to love it. Go ahead, click, and enjoy.